if you're confused that how you can adjust your Canva designs to different sizes, then you are at the right place. And in this topic, we are going to discuss exactly that. But if you have just joined us on this topic, we have a complete playlist and this video is the part of it. So if you want to check that complete playlist from starting to the advanced level, you can check out the playlist in the description. And if you want to join our other amazing courses on our social profile, you can check out the profile as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now let's talk about one more Canva resource, and that is Canva Design Size Guide. Now this one will be helpful when you're creating the professional designs in Canva. So it will be very helpful for you when you're choosing the design sizes. Now, for example, if you're on the home page of Canva, where it says different, you might want to try. You have different designs of Facebook posts, letterhead, invoices. So it's gonna give you a starting dimension of what you want or choose from here with the particular previews. Now, for example, you are creating a design, but you know that it will be for a larger display. So can you get more information about that? Definitely yes. What you will do is you will write here canva.com/sizes. So it will open up design size guides. So for example, if you don't know the standard size of a poster or brochures that you see as a template in Canva, you can check the sizes or design size guides for these particular posts, whatever you want. So for example, if you are interested in a poster, then you will click on it and it will give you all the details about the poster that you would want to design. The smallest one is in this dimensions, the small, medium, large, movies, bus stop. So if you want to design it for a larger display, you have all the options to choose from here. So this is perfect when you are using Canva to professionally be a graphic designer. There might be different requirements for your clients. Sometimes they want a smaller poster, like a pamphlet or something, and sometimes they want it for a larger display. So you have to make sure that it is of the optimum quality. Similarly, if you want to see all the dimensions in centimeters, millimeters, or pixels, you can set it accordingly here as well. So similarly for social media, let's say for Facebook post, if I want to see all the possible sizes in here, you have the profile picture default size. Let's change it to inches. Okay, let's keep it pixels. Profile picture pixels is this, cover photo is this, image post, and we have all the sizes that we want to adjust accordingly to get the optimum quality image. And it also talks something about each of that category down here. So I'm sure this is helpful for you. See you in the next lesson. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.